in south central Illinois, central Franklin County in south central Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ziegler or near Christopher, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hamilton County in south central Illinois, and central Franklin County in south central Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ziegler or near Christopher, moving northeast.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Macedonia,
Expect hail damage to roofs,
West Frankfort,
siding,
Thompsonville,
windows,
and North
and vehicles.
This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile marker 65 and 73.
Impacted include
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Franklin and Hamilton.
This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile marker 65 and 73. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Franklin and Hamilton.